Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy and GMC's 1988 to 1998 C1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Move any lines away from the factory rear cab mount. Unbolt and lift the cab. Remove the factory bushing. Save the hardware and bushing if they will be reused. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear cab mount along the base where it is welded to the frame rail. If the frame rail needs repair, mark the replacement mount position on the repair kit and install the repair kit. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Position the replacement rear cab mount using the factory silhouette or your repair kit markings for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. If any other parts were removed to install a frame repair kit, install their replacements or reinstall them at this time. Reinstall the cab mount bushing, then lower and reinstall the cab.